All right, number 4, we're going to fill in the blank. The procedure for constructing a confidence interval about the mean is blank, which means minor departures from normality do not affect the interval. So this was a definition we saw toward the end. It was robust. And then number 5, we have 4 parts. So we want to use the t-distribution. We're going to find the t-value such that the area in the tail to the right is 20% with 7 degrees of freedom. So I'm going to open the table. We got 20.20, and it says 7 degrees of freedom, so 0.896. 0.896. Find the t-value. The area in the right is 0.025 with 14 degrees of freedom. So 0.025. 0.025. I did see that right. 0.025. Okay, yeah, I'm just looking in the wrong spot. 14 degrees of freedom, so this column. 2.145. 2.145. C, find the t-value such that the area left of the t-value of 0.01 with 30 degrees of freedom. Hint, use symmetry. Okay, so what they're wanting you to remember here is that just like the normal curve, the student t-distribution is centered at 0. So if I'm looking at some t-value over here that's to the right and I find out what that is, the same value will be on the left. It would just be negative using symmetry. So these are just like a mirror image of each other. So I'm going to find the right, and then I'm just going to change the sign negative. So 0.01, 30 degrees of freedom. 0.01, 30, 2.457. 2.457. Did I look at the right one? Oh, negative. Sorry, negative. And then find the critical value that corresponds to 96 confidence. Assume 13 degrees of freedom. Okay, so this one is saying the confidence is in the middle. Didn't tell me left or right, so it's saying that 96% is in the middle. So that means if I do 1 minus 0.96, that gives me 0.04. Now that 0.04 is going to be split up into 2 sides, so I'm going to divide by 2. It's going to give me 0.02. So that means the area over here is 0.02, area over here is 0.02. That's how we get our 100%. And then we look at our degrees of freedom, which is 13, and then I can find the critical value. So 13.02 with 13. 0.02, 13. 2.282, 2.282. And it'll be the same if you did the negative 2.282. So I think they just want that one.